Ditch the plastic SIM card and unlock the future of mobile connectivity with Mint Mobile Esim. First, let's talk benefits. Esims are awesome because you can quickly switch carriers. You don't have to wait for a physical SIM, and they're safe and secure since they're built directly into your phone. Plus, they're great for travel. Now, let's dive into activation. Head to your phone settings and look for mobile data or cellular. The exact location of this setting may vary between Android and iOS devices, so explore your settings for best results. If you've already purchased a Mint Mobile plan and have your Esim QR code, it's time to scan it within mobile data or cellular settings. There will be an option to add cellular plan. Select this and then choose to use the QR code option. Your phone will prompt you to scan the QR code, often by simply prompting your camera function. Center the QR code in the frame and your device will start its activation process. Your phone will automatically download and install your Esim profile from Mint Mobile. This usually takes just a few moments. Patience is key here while this is processing. Once activated, your Esim will be ready to go. You'll likely see a confirmation message and your signal bars will reflect your active Mint Mobile connection. You might be prompted to label your new line. Encountering troubles? Don't worry. Double-check that airplane mode is off and that you are not connected to Wi-Fi during activation. If problems persist, restart your device, or if necessary, go to Mint Mobile's website for further assistance. Now you're all set to enjoy the convenience of your digital SIM with Mint Mobile. Subscribe for more tech tips like this.